News coming in from Jammu Kashmir in Kathua. There's been a gunfight raging. This is the area where active terrorists were also reported to have been present. Army Special Forces have joined an encounter. This is a joint operation, remember. It's been for days as well. There's been in different parts of Jammu region, you've seen that the joint ops and search is happening. However, I want to add here, very interesting, what we've seen in the past few days. Leading from the front is Jammu Kashmir Director General of Police, Nalin Prabhat, who's rushed to the encounter site. So he's there with his boys, where the terrorists, we are told, are holed up. An encounter is underway. But remember, previously we've also seen how the terrorists have managed to escape because it's such a difficult terrain to be operating in. These are forests and fields, and this is the Kathua region in Jammu. 2 security personnel have received injuries in the gun battle. We are of course showing you deferred visuals. These are not live visuals from the ground, and therefore but important to update you about what's happening in Kathua. Sunil G. Bhatt is joining me now live and he's been updating us. So if I'm correct, Sunil, Kathua was the region where civilians also had noticed suspicious movements. There has been search operations been on, but tell me this. It's good to see, isn't it, that a DGP is not just on the ground, but is at the site ensuring and with his boys.
Pooja, massive counter-terror operation is on in Kathua district since Sunday evening. And this morning, the security forces were successful in establishing contact with the terrorists once again, but this time in Juthana area, which is a hilly area of Kathua district, and it's very far from the district headquarters of Kathua. We are ourselves on our way to that encounter site, but look at the terrain here. See the condition of the road here. So it's a very difficult area to operate in, and Director General of Police of Jammu and Kashmir, Nalin Prabhat, is rushing to the encounter site. That's what our sources are telling us. And Army's Special Forces have also joined this counter-terror operation in this densely forested hilly area of Juthana in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, Pooja, certain parts of Kathua district are hilly areas, and the terrain is very difficult. The security forces are on their job. The priority is to neutralize the terrorists as soon as possible. But what we are learning from our sources is that Director General of Police Jammu and Kashmir, Nalin Prabhat, is rushing to the encounter site, and he is himself personally monitoring every development as far as this counter-terror operation is concerned. And right now we can also see choppers hovering over this entire area. So choppers have also been pressed into service. Drones are also being used by the security forces to trace those terrorists in this operation since morning.
All kinds of
yes,
technology and support
Special Operations Group have been injured.
Okay, so we'll be tracking that and more. Sunil, keep tracking all the updates coming in. Let's just hope these terrorists are neutralized at the earliest.